beautiful non-obese, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is Uncut with non-obi. We'll bring up controversial issues on the internet, people that are disturbing us, and we know that people want to know about them, and we'll just bring it up here and we'll talk about it. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about Nkechi Blessing. Nkechi Blessing, CEO, the lady that became popular after lying that one building belongs to her. I don't know if I'll see that video. If I see that video, I'll post it here. Like this girl, she said she's a therapist. She's a wife, love, married people therapist or whatever. She's married to 2 husbands. She's divorced, but she told us she's a therapist. Okay, fine, we agreed. We don't know what you were doing before. We don't even know where you are. We don't even know anything about you. But she felt that the only way she could be popular, the only way she could, you know, people come to limelight, so people know actually that she's a therapist, is to make a stunt that a building, a well-built building, is for her. And after that, somebody told the owner of the building, and the police came and arrested her. So this is how she became popular, and this is how we knew that she was a therapist. How did I know this? She said it with her mouth that the whole thing was a stunt. Okay, on the other hand is Nkechi Blessing, which is a Nigerian popular actress. Nkechi Blessing, she has acted in so many Nigerian movies. She has acted of course Yoruba movies as well, because she can speak Yoruba, but she is from the eastern part of Nigeria, but it looks like she grew up in Lagos, so she's very fluent in speaking Yoruba. This too has not allowed us to rest on the internet after Blessing CEO posted a video showing her bikini body, and Nkechi Blessing of course came for her, because Blessing CEO does not hide the fact that she went for a liposuction, that she did a liposuction, whatever it's called, that she did bum. So she's never hiding it. She was always on the name letter about it, right from the day she went into the theater to get her bum big. So she came on the internet to post this very picture you're seeing right now, and after then Blessing CEO came for her. So let's just say she was on her own and Blessing CEO came. So after she came for her, of course, wahala started to fly up and down. Okay, Nkechi Blessing began to shade the actress. He wrote on her Instagram story, she said, "Bikini no be for everyone body sha. At least I dey respect myself with my big belly. Now see as auntie be like placard wey dem use for protest." Do you understand? She actually started this problem. So when she posted this video, Nkechi Blessing, of course, she did not have it, because Nkechi Blessing puts mouth in things that does not even concern her, even up to the point that one guy like that, the wife died. In fact, Nkechi Blessing is a mess. He has even come to, this girl I'm telling you has come to the internet to say that the video is owing somebody money, and the video had to arrest her, and she had to come back to the video to apologize to the video that she's sorry that she said that. You can imagine the kind of controversial person she is. Like, controversy on internet gives her food. Controversy on internet gives her life. So of course the Nkechi Blessing, of course the Blessing CEO that will know, after that message Nkechi Blessing dropped, we never ever keep quiet. So the drama just began. Okay, first of all, she put a picture showing where she closed her mouth, me trying so hard not to reply. The failed actress where they change voice every market day, you know. She said so many things. She put up the pictures of the boyfriends that he used to change. Even at the moment, you know, the person that Nkechi Blessing is dating, but put up pictures of the girl and every other thing, of the people that he changes something with. She even had to go to the extent to even say the person that came on my DM to ask me for therapy. I'm going to put it on the screen here. So she said, "Hi, how can we book a section with Blessing CEO? Wait, is it like you are afraid of Nkechi Blessing CEO because she has been throwing jabs on you, blah 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 blah." Somebody said this. I bet show that mumu, blah 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 blah. You know, she put up so many things, and they are fighting up till today. Nkechi Blessing too, her mouth too much. She came and said, "Nkiru Kokoro Blessing CEO. I know the actress there. I'm a real estate mogul with over 10,000 acres of land to my name. Maybe you are not updated." Okay, this is the battle of the fittest. Like, this kind of matter, they don't put mouth for him, because you know why? The Blessing CEO has big mouth. Nkechi Blessing too has big mouth. So it's like, you don't put mouth for these two people. I'm telling you, because it's fight back and forth. Nkechi Blessing went to say ex-convicts want to follow me and drag. Blessing Okoro pick location where you want you where your record don't spoil. I go drag you reach. I dey wait for your next post. Person wey not supposed enter machine, make them wash your dirty skin. Person wey suppose enter machine, wey dey wash your dirty skin. Wow, my God, these people there. In fact, there is no shame in this generation. With this generation and internet, no single shame. No single shame. See the pictures of the boyfriend, the ex boyfriend that Nkechi that Blessing CEO said that Nkechi Blessing has, that she changes boyfriend like rapper. Like she changes his boyfriend like rapper. Oh my God, you see this internet, this our generation now, we don't have any shame. Like anything, we just carry it and come to the internet. And here, and Blessing CEO is here ranting. I don't want to answer Nkechi Blessing because my words are powerful. She told me she wanted to do liposuction, but she didn't have money. I don't know if I'm going to believe that, who I'm going to ask. I don't know. I'll just put the video here so you guys will watch.
Some women are born in a certain way. They are even struggling with their identity. You go come them join. And my own word, they powerful. That's why I dey avoid Nkechi Blessing. I don't want to tell them something we go send them to depression. Because I know Nkechi Blessing rich house. She used to be close to me. That's why from the beginning of time that she has been dragging me, I've been avoiding her. Why? I don't want her to tempt me. Because me, if I talk, I go to talk with receipts. She know. I met Nkechi Blessing in Delta State, where we go collect award. If she dey watch this live video, you came with your boyfriend. This is your boyfriend, and I see the date for Delta. We meet. When I be want change them for Nkechi tell me, say, babe, now social media no be real life. Nkechi Blessing, I lie. People been there. When this saga been dey happen, when she was dropping that comments, when that woman passed on, I met Nkechi in Delta State. She no do anything. Now mouth she gets. Why she no talk? She say, oh, I'm not Blessing because of this. Blessing because of, but you met me one-on-one in Delta State. I confronted you in Nkechi Blessing. Why you no do anything? That's why I no agree talk to them. Now I'm out, she gets. I met her in Delta State, Denza Award. We collected an award together. She come with her boyfriend. Nkechi, why you not confront me that day where I been face you? What thing you tell me? Tell me, say, babe, calm down. Social media they different from real life. Not be what thing you tell me. So that's the reason why when she's talking on social media, I have met her in another event. Unique Motors was doing either their 5th anniversary. I met Nkechi Blessing. Nothing she do. Not be she come greet me. Now she touch me for back. Not be Nkechi Blessing say, please follow me back. The day Tunde had not posted me. Did I even know that anybody like Nkechi Blessing was existing? She came to my DM and asked me to follow her back. The only luck where she gets be say, they don't come out my first account. I for post all the chats. Nkechi enter house. No, they throw glass stone. When I did lipo, Nkechi was the first person to jump into my DM. Hey, babe, when she was saying she was going to leak my, I just did laugh. I was waiting for her to actually post because the picture I sent to Nkechi Blessing was my liposuction picture because she was overexcited. How far, babe? On to say person where you did close to. I explained everything to her. I showed her. I posted most of them on Instagram. I showed her my before and my after. I told her, she was like, this is her belly, she won't do. She even sent me her body. I don't want to body shame her. I now told her, okay, she should not worry. She had, there's some women that their bum, they have this cellulite. It'd be like, say, you get dimple for yash. So she was telling me that's what she has. So I told them, don't worry, that's what the doctors do. If you have cellulite and they remove the fat from your tummy, the doctors will use the fat to fill all those cellulites. Some women have that naturally deep, some plus size women. That is how deep me and Nkechi Blessing discussed about lipo. She be one do lipo, but she don't get money. So that's the reason why when she's writing all these things, I'll be smiling. Like, me and I'm done gist things where we say, I don't want cast tag. Nkechi doesn't have anything about me. Now Nkechi, they farms me. Remember when Nkechi used to comment on my page? If you are my follower, my followers were warning me. Blessing, see you. This is when Nkechi don't they comment for your page and I go soon fight. Am I lying? My followers, I lie. There was a time Nkechi Blessing was commenting on my page. My followers were warning me. This one where Nkechi, they comment for your page. Blessing, be careful. They told me. So it was not new. Sometimes she will comment, I will not reply her. My followers know. I know they come. Now Nkechi Blessing, they always flood my timeline. People were now worried. Ha! This is when Nkechi done the farms. Anything where I post Nkechi go comment. Anything where I post Nkechi go comment. My followers say, this girl no be human being. No. I was reading the comments. So this thing that she's doing is a lifestyle. That's who she is. That's why me, tomorrow Nkechi go stick on say sorry. Now what did she do with Bobrisky? I don't want to do saga with Nkechi. I just want when she carry her this thing they go. She no reach. But Nkechi Blessing, you know the address to my office. Come. And if you know say you be Nkechi, come my office. Not be to stay social media, they write for story, they write I will post your toto, I will da 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 da. Nkechi Blessing, you and I know that I don't live such life. Now you go the fear. I can't even post your toto because I'm a woman. If not for your portfolio, your fellow colleague, your fellow actress and actors, even those where you don't know, they don't give me your portfolio. I hold them, but I not go post them. I go just read them, I go they laugh. Nkechi Blessing Kukuma no say her gist here aside. Me, I be virgin for Lagos. I just come Lagos. Nobody go come and come and say Blessing. Nah, lie.
So you guys have watched the video and everything. So the fight still continues. Where they're disturbing us on the internet, they've not allowed us to rest. They have not Kukuma allowed us to rest. Like we have not rested. So we need some rest. We need some rest. We need some rest. You know, after the video that Nkechi Blessing, that Blessing CEO posted, of course Nkechi Blessing cannot keep quiet. She came here again to give us the part 2. This season 2, episode 1. Okay, that is what it
Oh my goodness. Blessing Onyeze, you can lie, you. And I can see a lot of people can read through your lies. Of course, you said I came into your DM. Yes, I did. Because you were you for being a common thief. Yes, I felt pity for you. Just like every other person who came into your DM that period did. You were humiliated for being a house thief. I came into your DM like every normal human being with human feelings would do. And I gave you words of encouragement. I told you, you know what, this is not the end of the road. Like, I told you some, nice words just to, keep your spirit alive. And then you went ahead to tell me how you were building the exact same house and you wanted it to be like an inspiration, what I ordered versus what I got, that kind of thing. And I'm like, it's fine. I was one of the people who talked you out. Did I do anything bad? And then you are lying with your full chest, saying Nkechi they farms you as per wetin you get where won't make me farms you. You were paraded as a thief, and a lot of people came into your DM to sympathize with you, make you for not go yourself. So I don't understand. I don't do bad thing. Darling, you know what? If you want to lie, at least you should always think back and remember how the whole conversation started. And then you said you know me, reach out. Darling, you do not have my phone number. Come on. You do not even know where I live. So how did we become that? Whatever chat, whatever talk, everything we did, it all happened and ended in the DM. We've never hung out before. I have only seen you twice in my whole life. So how we can't take that close to the fact, say you to the point where you go know me reach house. And then you said you saw me in worry, I didn't move. Blessing, you not cough when you see me for worry. You not see as I full ground for the worry. Share you when you climb stage where people they shout, they almost want you bottle water, they shout surgery preferable. You know they're embarrassed. Come down from the stage. You were out of the stage in Denzel Award, Blessing. So why are you lying? Shame catch you, come down. You know see how see the standing ovation and the claps when I was going to receive my awards on stage? Didn't you see that? But you came down from the stage shamelessly like a common that you are. So why exactly do you want to even compare why exactly do you want to compare yourself to me, Blessing? You posted my exes. At least I am proud with my full chest that I have dated them. And they were proud of me. I was proud of them. We both flaunted each other while it lasted. But you, my darling, you born for 2 different men, none gree collect pikin from your hand. Oh. A relationship therapist without a relationship, who are the people coming to you for therapy? What kind of steps are they trying to follow? Somebody that cannot even keep 2 homes, 2 different failed marriages. So what exactly, at least a broken relationship is better than a failed marriage or a broken marriage, however they put it. When I enter a relationship, I'm not getting whatever I want from it, I move. They know they count late comer for who marry you. But you don't do them twice. You didn't get it right. So, I don't understand. Where is the comparison? Blessing, stop. Oh. Stop it. Oh. You see, I see you for worry run. I'm going to pick location. So that we'll trash this out woman to woman. So that case go close. Because if I say we don't talk too much. And then again, you can't lie the biggest of all lies. Say me, won't do lipo. I not get money to do lipo. A lot. Oh. You tell me say you get video of me where I sent to you, post them. Because me, I get my own way you send to me. At least anything where person send to person suppose. Now you send your own to me now. So post your own where you get so that everywhere go boss once and for all. If you don't post them, blessing, see you are double dare you and I am waiting. You see this one with me and you start so.
See, I don't even know what is wrong with this our generation now. Can this internet just, the way COVID-19 came and everybody rested for some months, can something just happen and Instagram will not be working again? Like everybody will just have a life for some months or from maybe like 8 months, 1 year. Because it's crazy now that anything that happens comes on the internet. Like it's very crazy and disgusting. Like people don't have life again. People don't have shame again. You see grown-up women, grown-up ladies that's supposed to don't, I don't know. You see them, they come on the internet and be shaking and be vibrating and be saying all sorts of things to themselves. Like as if they won't, this world has the way it goes around. Maybe someday, Nkechi Blessing might need Blessing CEO's help. You never can tell. Or Blessing CEO might need Nkechi's help. You never can tell. Because it's just a small world. But the way they drag each other on the internet these days, it's just very disgusting. Like, but Nkechi Blessing, you started this. If Blessing CEO has gone off from the person you used to like he said now, when she cleaned that house that the police arrested her, you should consign, you were there, you called her, blah, 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 blah. And she told you that she was trying to have that house as an inspiration. Maybe at the end of maybe it was, I don't know, you stopped liking her. When she posted her liposuction body, why don't you just keep quiet? Because you started the film. If you don't like her anymore, why don't you just keep short about it? Like just watch the picture and pass. But you wanted to do that, you can talk. You wanted to do that, you can talk. And Blessing see you will not keep quiet. That Blessing, Ukuru, will not keep quiet. So guys, like I said, they are disturbing us on the internet. And we decided to bring it here. What is my business? Disturb us, we'll bring it here. And we'll talk about it. The 2 adults that are fighting, okay? Of course, the school of thought in this video, there is no school of thought because it's just obvious that Nkechi Blessing would have just watched this girl's liposuction body and continue moving, but she went to buy market. And both of them are market people. Both of them like controversy. Both of them on the internet, they know they shame. So it's like we're going to have season 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. But this is the only episode I'll be talking about because I don't have strength for them. So please kindly give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.